Just hours after Baba Ramdev launched the Ayurvedic medicines for treating COVID-19 at Patanjali Yogpeeth yesterday, Ministry of AYUSH asked Patanjali Ayurved to furnish details and reports based on which it claims that the drug can cure coronavirus. Let's do a three-point analysis to understand if Patanjali's Coronil sustains the scientific rigor. 1. Patanjali's COVID-19 drug under AYUSH Ministry's lens. Well, Yog Guru Baba Ramdev created a sensation yesterday by launching these medicines, Coronil and Swasari, claiming that these have successfully cured several of under-trial COVID-19 patients with 100% results, except for those on life support systems. But just hours after the Big Bang launch, Ministry of AYUSH ordered Patanjali to stop advertising the products or selling the medicine until the results were actually verified. Now, the ministry in a statement also said that the facts of the claim and details of the stated scientific study are not known to the ministry. The ministry also asked Patanjali Ayurved to provide composition of the medicines and details of the sites or hospitals where the research study was conducted by it. Patanjali also needs to submit the sample size, Institutional Ethics Committee clearance, as well as the CTRI registration and results data of the studies it has conducted. Meanwhile, a licensing officer from Uttarakhand government's Ayurved department has actually said that the approval application sent by Patanjali for Coronil did not even mention coronavirus. Now, ANI has also reported that Patanjali's Coronil application only got license approval as an immunity booster, and that for cough and fever, not for coronavirus treatment. 2. What should consumers then make of it? While Baba Ramdev in the press conference had really said that the medicine will be available in a week's time in Patanjali stores, consumers now will have to wait much longer till the time Patanjali gets a go-ahead from the AYUSH Ministry. Also, the license office of Uttarakhand will now issue a notice to Patanjali asking how they really got permission to make the kit for COVID-19. Now, these concerns have further raised questions on Patanjali's claims. 3. Can Coronil sustain scientific rigor? Well, Patanjali has stated that it has already submitted the composition of Coronil to the ministry. It has also furbished all the other details that it was asked. It has also told the ministry that the initial trials have only been conducted on those who had mild to moderate symptoms, and that the data set of trial paper really shows that 1 month is still left for the trial to be completed. Shiprad Nayak, Minister of State for AYUSH Ministry, has said that they will now look into the report submitted by Patanjali and they will be able to take a final call only after analyzing the details and the research corresponding to Coronil that they have submitted. Now, he also told media that the way Patanjali went ahead with the press conference and also launched drugs despite the clinical trials being incomplete is definitely not right. While many nations and scientists continue to chase possible vaccines for COVID-19, there is still no scientific evidence of any alternative cure for the deadly virus as well. The drugs being currently used around the world are actually given on a restrictive case-to-case basis. Now, no allopathic drug so far has claimed to show a 100% result on COVID-19 patients. Now, doctors and scientists have also been putting out statements saying that while the news is quite encouraging from Patanjali, but it can only be accepted as real once it is clear that the supporting studies were conducted with the same scientific rigor as any other drug trial in the COVID-19 research. Also, whether treated patients cleared their virus earlier or recovered from symptoms faster, whether the drug saved the lives of those who were on severe COVID-19 cases are some of the questions that still need answers before the drug is accepted as a cure.